Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer invoices into Wave from Square step by step clearly. To transfer invoices from Square into Wave, start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the Invoices section on the left sidebar. Select the invoices you wish to export. Click on the Export button, typically located at the top right corner. Choose the format for the export, ideally CSV. Download the file to your computer. Next, log into your Wave account. Once logged in, go to the Sales tab on the left sidebar. Select Invoices from the drop-down menu. Look for the Import option, usually found at the top right of the Invoices page. Click on Import and choose the CSV file you just downloaded from Square. Follow the prompts to map your CSV fields to Wave's invoice fields. Ensure that the dates, amounts, and client information are correctly matched. After confirming the field mappings, proceed with the import. Wait for confirmation that the invoices have been successfully imported. Review the newly imported invoices in your Wave account to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections to the invoices in Wave. Your invoices from Square are now successfully transferred into Wave. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.